I want to give you a little bit of an overview of the strategic planning process that we're going to be going through. It's called the ABCDE model. So let's go through those elements. A stands for assessment. And what assessment is many people call it situational analysis, and it's the current condition that the organization is facing here. We're going to be doing some analysis for PESTLE. PESTLE stands for political, economic, social, technological, legal, and earth things. And what we're looking for there is patterns and trends. We're going to be trying to view the threats and the opportunity that your organization faces in the A step. B is to baseline. And you've got a lot of threats, you've got a lot of opportunities. That's really clear from the upfront analysis that we've done here. Baselining means where are we going to look to really try to find some of the performance gaps that you face. And our purpose is to close these performance gaps. Now, the bulk of our time together is going to be in the C part of the ABCDE model. And in the C part, we're looking for components of strategy. And in particular, I really want to get us focused on a vision statement. And what I want you to remember about a vision statement is that visions are verifiable. We need to be able to see them. We need to be able to know what done looks like for this. And I'm going to be leading you through various efforts and exercises to define closure criteria and success criteria for this, because this is going to be a major motivating and energizing device for closing the performance gap. D, I'm leaving some space here for a reason. D is deliver. And this is going to be the place where the project piece comes in, actually getting things done. So as we look at the various elements of the performance gap, the vision, the mission, and so forth, we're going to have to say to ourselves, what projects do we want to charter or decommission to free up resources so that we can get these vital strategic things done? E in the ABCDE model is evaluate. And here I'm going to be challenging the group to look for metrics. Metrics should include both lagging indicators as well as leading indicators. We're going to see a connection here of metrics connecting up into the performance gap. Thus, we need a way to measure the performance gap, understand whether we're making incremental progress towards those various performance gaps. Now, I mentioned I left some space in here. I'm leaving some space in here because we're talking about some pretty big things. This is going to be the place where we're going to do program definition. And that is, as we look at the performance gaps and look at our vision, we're going to need to identify a particular set of strategic initiatives that are going to help us close that performance gap. And it's going to be through defining programs that will help us come up with a governance structure, a way to energize closing those performance gaps, and then we're going to work towards connecting the programs to the projects. So we go about doing this, and then move this into your regular project management approach, and of course metrics being a guiding piece through this all. So there's a quick overview of what's coming our way with the ABCDE model of strategic planning.